Hello smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, let's continue to learn about the phonics sound. Okay, now this time I have this. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. Okay, now let's say the things or objects that start with sound. Are you ready? Okay. Yes, there is rat. Okay, anything else? Yes, rose. What else? Very good, a ring. Good job. Anything else? Yes, a rabbit. Sure. Okay, good job, kids. Okay, now let's try to write the sound together. Okay, ready? Okay, let's write it. Just follow the arrow. Okay, one more time. Very good, kids. Alright, kids. Now let's try to spot the sound of the okay? Alright. So, I have this. Tiger. Tiger. Where is the sound? Yes, you're right. At the end of the word. Good job. And next we have marble. Marble. Where is the sound? Very good. It's in the middle. Yes. And then I have run. Run. Where is the sound? Great. It's in the beginning. Very good. Okay. I still have rain. Rain. Where is the sound? Very good. It's in the beginning as well. Okay. And the last one, I have door. Door. Where is the sound? Very good. It's at the end. Ending sound. Yay! Good job, smart kids. Alright, it's time for riddle.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is a thing. And we can see it in the sky. And it's colorful. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends. It's a rainbow. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes. Alright, friends. See you in the next riddle. Bye-bye.
Great! Now let's review one more time. What sound is this? Good. Alright, kids. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.